So what's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the 5 most paid YouTube categories that you can make the most money. You know, something like that. Yep, this is very real, I'm not kidding, this is not fake, and I'm also gonna tell you the name of this channel later in the video. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Now, I want to talk real quick about the details. I mean, how is it possible to make more money than someone else with the same amount of views? What is the key that changes that? By the way, if you want to skip this part and go immediately to the part that I talk about the categories, there you go. You can skip to this time. But then don't be mad at me if you miss something. Now, the key thing here is the RPM and the CPM. Whoa, what is the RPM and the CPM in case you don't know? The CPM is the how much money the advertiser pays YouTube for the ad to be shown on YouTube. And the RPM is the how much money we get after the YouTube's cut. I think it's around 40 or 45%. And the RPM shows us how much money we make per 1,000 views. For example, if a channel has $2 RPM, that means that this channel will make $2 per 1,000 views. And let's say that channel gets 100,000 views a month, and that means that this channel will make $200 a month, and that's how you calculate a channel's earnings. By the way, those categories that I'm gonna show you in a bit, they pay you more than $2 for sure, so don't be disappointed if you are. I mean, in this video I'm just talking about the ad revenue, so you can still make money from YouTube with other sources of income. Like you can make money with affiliate links, you can make with selling products to your audience, or with selling online courses, which I have similar videos on my channel, you can check it out. So the first category is real estate. Probably you were waiting for it. There are a lot of examples on YouTube that made success with talking about real estate, and the biggest example here is Graham Stephan, that he makes over $1 million per year from YouTube. I mean, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
And the CPM rate of real estate is pretty high, as you can see. By the way, the screenshot that I shown at the beginning of the video was Graham Stephan's. So what you need to do in this category is to teach beginners, teach people about real estate. I mean, there are a lot of people that want to learn about real estate, so you can teach them. I mean, to do this category, obviously you need to know about this topic, you need to know about real estate, so you can teach people. The second category that you can make pretty good money is e-commerce. If you don't know what e-commerce is, it's basically a way of making money online by selling products like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, eBay, or maybe selling products like t-shirts online. You must have seen people making videos like, I tried dropshipping for 1 week, and then they're sharing their results with you. Those kind of videos have really high CPM, around $50. And you know, you can teach people about e-commerce, or you can do challenges like, I tried dropshipping for 1 week, and then you can share your results with them. So basically e-commerce is buying and selling stuff, and it's quite popular right now because, you know, there's a virus outside, so everybody is home and want to make money online. So this is an opportunity to start on this. Of course, you can't just start because it pays well. You need to know about your topic, you need to provide value. Don't see bullshit just to make money. Just a friendly advice. The third category is making money. This is a general category that you can cover a lot of things. Basically, you show people how to make money both in real life and online. Something like my channel. I teach people how to make money and show different ways. For example, you can do challenges and try flipping stuff like smartphones, cars, or something smaller, and then post this. Teach and entertain people at the same time. Making money is something that everybody wants, so this category is quite popular too. An example for this category is Financial Wolf. His channel is about making money, and he does challenges and shares his result with us. So he teaches and entertains people at the same time. And for this channel, you don't need to know something specific. If you make money with photography, you can go with that. Or if you make money online with a website, you can go instead with that. It's not very specific, so it's easier to start rather than the other categories that I talked about. The fourth category is stock market. If you don't know about the stock market, basically it's about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and company stocks like Tesla, Amazon, and more. And there are endless things that you can talk about, which you need to know what you're doing, of course. Because the stock market and the cryptocurrencies are always changing, so there are always new things to talk about. The biggest example here is Andre. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce your name, sorry, but you can read it. He makes videos about stock market and about cryptocurrencies. He shares what he personally does and knows. He teaches you how to invest your money and how to retire at age 30. On this topic, you can also make videos about day trading or about your IRA. this is something that I hear quite often and the only thing that I remember. So the fifth and final category is personal finance. This is a quite important and valuable category because students that are going to finish their school, they don't know about taxes, about mortgages, about insurances, because simply they don't learn anything about personal finance in school. So they want to know, and if you can teach people about this, you should. I mean, this is something that I personally search. Okay, I'm 16, but I want to learn about this so they don't be a problem in the future. And I know that I'm gonna need them, like paying taxes, mortgages, insurances, and I know that I'm not going to learn them in school. So if you know about personal finance, why shouldn't you teach people and make money at the same time? I mean, people that will watch your videos won't pay anything. I mean, watching videos on YouTube is free and you can still make money with ad revenue. And the CPM rate is quite good. I think it's $10 to $20. It's a win-win. So that was the final category, but I also want to talk about something else. So my channel is about making money, but in the future I also want to make money about real estate and investments, personal finance and stuff like that. I don't know, but that's something that I like, and so I really like doing content like this. So in the future I want to have a channel like Graham Stephan or Bia Hazam. I mean, not the same of course, but something like that on that topic. Like, I want to invest my money, I want to buy real estates and, you know, share this and teach people about this. And the main thing here is financial freedom. Of course, we don't love money. We make money because we know that this is the only way to financial freedom. And the financial freedom is the best thing that can happen to a person. Being free, doing the thing that you are passionate about. And why am I telling this? I'm telling this because I want to, and like a motivation for you. And if you are considering subscribing to my channel, this is the content that you will see. So that was it in this video. Thank you so much if you made it so far. Here's a video that I show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos yourself. If you're interested, you can watch this video here after this video. So see you in the next videos. Bye bye.